up, guys? So we're out here with the family. We're gonna try to catch some walleye. Last time we came out here, trolling motor was down and had problems, you know. So here we are. Hopefully we get out there, catch our limit, and go from there. Hope you enjoy it. Got her all parked. Don't mind the minor damage there. Little fender bender, huh? We're walking right on down here to the dock. Oh yeah. Here we go. We're gonna go explore some new territory, I think, today. Well, we are down on the bottom. One rod. Gonna get the other one set up. Got a nice worm on there. Little bait fish image. Just a perch. Little perch. Yeah. All right, say bye-bye.
Good job, Daddy.
Get the net. Maybe I don't need it.
Gee, look at that.
Nice. Nice walleye. Measure real quick. God.
Hey, got this.
Yeah, because I measured him to the tip of his tail, and it was just 15.
Yeah.
No. About that, guys. 15 incher. Just 15 incher. Hopefully we get some more here. Got our Rapalas and our bottom bouncers going. Got the live scope going. Yeah. Little perch.
Evelyn, look, Daddy got another fish. Evelyn, look. Evelyn. No?
Another nice walleye. Like it? Ah! Yeah. 18. So minimum 15, only one over 20, so I got a 15 and an 18 now. Nice. See, then Dad would have caught his limit, been on his way home. Nope, we need 2 more. Gotta get a worm on this one. Yeah. Good stuff. Got a nice worm on there. Little bait fish image. Got this one back down. Pretty sweet. We got 15 and 18 now. Come on, bring them on. Need 2 more. Flies over here. Crazy today.
Just wait, Daddy's getting one. Sit down. No. Look what Daddy got.
Another little perch.
Evelyn, look what Daddy's got. Evelyn, look what Dad's got.
So bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Yeah, good job.
Alright guys, sorry I lost the footage, the audio footage off my GoPro. Hooked into a pretty nice walleye here. It's pretty fun catching these guys. This is our 3rd one now. Get him in. Use the net just to be safe. Bam, landed him. Perfect. Look at that thing. That's so beautiful. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Get the hook out of there. Perfect. Damn. Nice fish. Oop, about lost him. There we go. Get a little measurement on him. Came out to be just like 18 1/4. Another perfect keeper. Get him on the line here with the rest of them. Perfect. Nice and secure. Throw them in. Scared the daughter a little bit. Here we go. We got 2 18s and a 15. One's like 18 and a half almost. Doing pretty good today. Chelsea's limit, my limit. Doing good out here. Gotta get the pole back in the water. Got the grill fired up. Having some better cheddar brats. Oh yeah. Good stuff, good stuff. Eating good. About to get them on some buns. Pretty gorgeous. The last fish we just caught was only 12 inches, so we had to throw her back. Didn't get the release, but yep. About calling it a night. Got 3.
Watch Daddy.
Just when I thought there was only 3. We got a decent one on here. Nice. Got our 4th one. There we go. Our last walleye of the day. Perfect. There we have it, guys. We have our 2-person limit. It's time to call her a night. That was pretty fun. We really enjoyed it. Beautiful day out here. The flies were killing us today. Next time we'll bring some fly spray and gnat spray and whatever else. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Try to get out here and do this again, so peace out.